Most guests walk into the hotel room and instantly notice the perfection. Crisp sheets, gleaming taps, not a single wrinkle on the bedspreads. But that effortless impression is the result of a massive, well-coordinated effort behind the scenes. Today's video breaks down how hotel housekeeping teams keep everything spotless and why the job is far more complex than most people realize. Welcome to the Hospitality Lounge, the place where we uncover the real behind-the-scenes work that create flawless guest experiences. The hidden workforce behind every clean room. Housekeeping is typically the largest operational department in any hotel. In a mid-sized property, anywhere from 30 to 60 rooms attendance might be on the schedule depending on occupancy. These professionals begin their day early. At the heart of operation is the control desk, where supervisors review digital rooming lists, guest preferences, early check-ins, and late checkouts. Before cleaning even begins, assignments are planned. Room attendants are briefed, handled room keys, and given specific guest notes, creep requests, feeder-free bedding, or romantic setups. Each shift also begins with unplanned tasks from the previous night room, flagged as dirty by the night auditor, emergency cleanup, or urgent amenity refills. It's a high-volume, high-urgency system, but where the team is well organized, it runs like clockwork. A room cleaning checklist isn't just a list, it's a standard. Room cleaning in a hotel follows a precise, structured checklist customized for different room types and levels of service. Standard rooms might take 15-20 minutes, while suites or family rooms could require 40 minutes or even more. Common elements on a cleaning checklist included changing and tightening linens, full bathroom sanitization and polishing, replenishing amenities and minibar items, vacuuming carpets, cleaning under furniture, testing electronics, TV, remote, safe and air conditioning, visual alignment of pillows, curtains, and desk items. But here's the key: the room isn't considered ready until they pass a supervisor inspection. Supervisors check for cleanliness, consistency, and presentation. They run fingers across shelves, inspect for stray hair in the bathroom, and double-check folded amenities. And after approval is the room marked clean and ready for the front desk to assign. Time pressure, real messes, and the unexpected. Room attendants often work under serious time pressure. Each is assigned 12 to 16 rooms per day, but not all rooms are created equal. Some guests leave minor messes, others not so much. There have been rooms filled with baby diapers, wine-stained sheets, or even pet fur stuck to every service. In one instance, a guest turned their room into a DIY spa. Oils were splayed into the carpet, wax stripped onto wood furniture, and since candle left burn marks. It took two attendants nearly an hour to restore it. Scenarios like this aren't rare. They are the part of the job. Housekeeping teams must triage mess level, prioritize rooms, and call for backup when needed, all while staying on time. Do not disturb, inspections, and follow-ups. When a room has a do not disturb sign, housekeeping skips it, placing a service card at the door so the guest can call later. After a room is cleaned, supervisor begins their formal inspections, often using a checklist or digital tablets. Their checklist includes cleanliness and scent, functionality of lighting, TV, fridge, and safe, any missing items, technical issues like broken handles or water leaks. If repair are needed, maintenance logs it, fix it, and return to the room for the follow-up inspections. In some properties, supervisor audits are done by the executive housekeeping or room division manager. Even tiny details like the alignment of the tissue box can be flagged for correction. It's all part of quality assurance process. Outsourcing and VIP protocols. In many modern hotels, housekeeping is outsourced to the third-party providers. However, quality inspections are still managed in-house by hotel supervisors. Why? Because if a room isn't perfect, it is the hotel brand that takes the hit. VIP and President suites follow an even stricter protocols. 3 layers of inspections are common. The room attendant's internal check, the supervisor's formal inspection, a final review by a manager or director. Every surface must be spotless. Nothing can be left to the chance, especially with the high-profile guests. In some luxury hotels, managers literally use white gloves to test for dust. Why this job deserves more respect? Housekeeping is often undervalued, but is one of the hardest, most physically demanding jobs in hospitality. Room attendants are on their feet all day. They lift mattresses, scrub grout, clean up after children, and reset rooms again and again. Yet despite the pressure, many take pride in the outcome. As a senior housekeeper once said, we don't just clean, we prepare a space where someone can relax, reset, and feel at peace. It's a job that combines stamina, care, and professionalism, and they deserve recognition. So the next time a hotel room feels fresh, clean, and perfectly arranged, remember it was no accident. It was a system, a checklist, and a great team. If this video gave you a new insight in the hidden words of housekeeping, give it the like. It helps more people appreciate the hands behind the hospitality. And here is the small but powerful gesture. When checking out, leave a tip for a housekeepers. Even a few coins speak valued for respect. Subscribe to Hospitality Lounge for more behind the scenes stories. See you next one. Bye bye.